Assalamu alaikum KG2. I am your English teacher Bushra Janjua, and our today's topic is name of the days of the week. You know that everything around you has a name. Same is the case with the days also. Today we will see what are the names of the days and how we write them. Let's start. First day of the week is Monday. M-O-N-D-A-Y, day. Monday. What comes after Monday? Tuesday. You're right. T-U-E-S-D-A-Y, day. Tuesday. So, what comes after Tuesday? Wednesday. Very good. W-E-D-N-E-S-D-A-Y, day. Just keep it in your mind that in Wednesday we will not speak this D's sound, so it is silent over here. So we will say it Wednesday. It's not Wednesday, okay? It's Wednesday. After Wednesday, Thursday. Thursday, day. Thursday. What comes after Thursday? Yes, Friday. Friday, day. It's Friday. And what comes after Friday? Saturday. Saturday, day. Saturday. What comes after Saturday? Sunday. Sunday, day. Sunday. That's all for today. Now it's time for homework, and your homework is write the names of days of the week on your notebook and learn the spellings also. It's very important to learn the spellings. Okay, and mail the picture of your homework to your English teacher. Thank you.